Dealing with summer heat can be tough, especially when bulky window units or costly central air seem like the only options. We felt the same until we discovered ductless mini-split air conditioners. They're a perfect middle ground, offering cool comfort without the hassle of complex installation or constant noise. These units are remarkably quiet and energy efficient, helping to keep electricity bills in check. Plus, some models even come with Wi-Fi. Check out our links for the best prices and let's dive in. Number 6. The Costway 12,000 BTU. Kick things off with the Costway 12,000 BTU ductless mini-split air conditioner, a budget-friendly solution for superior climate control. Its smart inverter technology sets it apart by adjusting power flow to maintain steady temperatures, much like cruise control for your home. This efficient operation not only saves energy but also extends the unit's life. Despite its affordability, this AC offers features usually found in higher-end models, including 5 modes: auto, cool, dry, heat, and fan, 4 fan speeds, sleep mode, eco mode, I feel, and turbo function. Conveniently adjust settings with the remote and enjoy its quiet operation that won't disturb your peace. Plus, the self-cleaning and auto-defrost features reduce maintenance hassle. With an 8-year warranty, especially extensive for the compressor, Costway shows confidence in their product. Number 5. The Cooper & Hunter 18,000 BTU. Imagine an air conditioner that knows exactly how hard to work to keep your room comfy without overdoing it. Meet the Cooper & Hunter 18,000 BTU mini split. With its eco-friendly inverter heat pump technology, it adjusts on the fly to maintain your ideal temperature, keeping your bills low. Its sleek matte finish blends seamlessly with your decor, and it's so quiet you might forget it's there. Perfect for binge watching or a peaceful night's sleep. Tech fans will love the smartphone control, letting you adjust the temperature from anywhere, and the Follow Me feature that directs the breeze right where you need it. Installation requires a professional, but once it's set up, you'll have everything you need to stay cool or cozy. With the Cooper & Hunter model, you're not just getting an air conditioner, you're upgrading to a smarter, more comfortable living experience. Number 4. The Della 12,000 BTU. The Della 12,000 BTU mini-split air conditioner is a standout in value, packed with high-end features. Its automatic system includes auto defrost, self-diagnosis, and self-cleaning, much like a smart car that alerts you to issues and often fixes them. The I Feel mode senses the temperature around the remote control, adjusting the room's climate to your exact location. Imagine a personal butler who always knows if you're too hot or cold. Whispering at just 3041 dBA, it's quieter than a library, ensuring your peace and quiet. Despite its gentle hum, it's robust enough to cover up to 750 square feet and operates in temperatures as low as 4 degrees Celsius. Perfect for both beating the heat and escaping the cold. It requires professional installation, which is made easy with the comprehensive kit included. The smart sensor feature adjusts airflow and temperature for maximum comfort and energy savings, making this unit a real MVP in the ductless mini-split market. Number 3. The Pioneer WIS-036G20. When it comes to cooling and heating larger spaces, the Pioneer WIS-036G20 is a game-changer. With 36,000 BTU-H capabilities, it's perfect for spacious living rooms, open-plan offices, or light commercial setups. It operates efficiently across extreme temperatures, from 13 degrees to 122 degrees, ensuring year-round comfort. This system is like having a climate warrior ready to tackle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. The set includes a sleek indoor unit, a rugged outdoor unit, a 16-foot installation kit, and a remote controller. It offers versatile temperature settings, ranging from 60 Celsius to 90 degrees, with a low heat setting for when you're away. You can even control it remotely with an optional wireless internet access module. The Pioneer really shines with its whisper-quiet operation. Even in the dead of night, its fan and louver mechanisms work in hushed tones, ensuring your sleep or concentration isn't disturbed. Plus, its DC inverter-driven compressor and fan motor make it impressively efficient, keeping your electricity bills in check. Number 2. The MrCool DIY 36K. Imagine setting up your own high-efficiency air system on a lazy Sunday afternoon. That's the vibe with MrCool DIY 36K. No need for a professional installation or extra costs. It's designed for those who like getting hands-on but appreciate clear, simple instructions. It comes ready to go with a pre-charged, quick connect line, so you won't struggle with complex tools or charging the system. It's like assembling IKEA furniture, but for making your home comfortable. Got a smartphone? Then you've got control. Whether you're on the couch or out and about, Adjust settings from anywhere. Forget to turn off the AC before a trip. A few taps on your phone and it's sorted. Smart features include a dehumidifier for sticky summer days, a heating function for unexpected cold snaps, and a fan-only option for fresh air. The gold fin condenser is built to last, standing up to tough weather conditions. Efficiency-wise, this system is a silent pro with its 18 SEER rating, perfect for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. Turn your living room, bedroom, or even your garage into a comfort zone without the hefty energy bill. Number 1. The Senville Leto. 24,000 BTU is the Swiss Army knife of air conditioners and our top pick for today. It doesn't just keep your space comfortably cool during relentless summer days, it offers a year-round solution with heating, cooling, and dehumidifying capabilities all in one stylish unit. Imagine moving seamlessly from a cozy, warm setting in frosty winter evenings to a refreshingly cool ambiance in peak summer, all with the same device. This air conditioner steps into the future with Alexa compatibility, allowing you to control your climate with your voice or a simple tap on your smartphone. Whether you're on the couch or miles away, adjusting your environment has never been easier. The Senville Intelligent Eye feature acts like a vigilant energy-saving companion, adjusting the temperature based on room occupancy to ensure you're not wasting electricity when no one's around. While installation requires a professional touch, the process is straightforward with a kit that comes ready with all necessities. This is an investment in durability and efficiency thanks to its high-efficiency DC inverter compressor, emphasizing energy savings without sacrificing performance. Designed to blend seamlessly with both home and business settings, the Senville offers a sleek aesthetic alongside robust functionality, making it a versatile choice for any indoor space. That's it for today, guys. Now let us know in the comments. Are you looking to cover a larger room or a smaller one? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and have a good one.